Hey guys, Elvis Presley here, and today, current status of fidget spinners, still happening. Current status, I got a new one. I think this will just be a video imitating on how fidget spinner the time tests are, so let's get started. Hey, what's up guys, and today I'm gonna be doing a time test of my super cool and super fast Batman fidget spinner. It's super cool and fast because it's Batman, and Batman's super cool and fast. He's also very rich. But let's go ahead and time test it. Wow, 21 minutes. That's so long, man. This is my super cool fidget spinner. I hope you enjoyed this. And have a wonderful day. I hope you guys realize this was all a joke. It's pretty accurate too. Fidget spinner videos are the cancer of YouTube, and yes, they're still happening if you haven't realized. So, America, you have failed us.
Somebody once told me the world is gonna roll me. I ain't the sharpest tool in the shed. She was looking kinda dumb with her finger and her thumb in the shape of an L on her forehead. Well, the years start coming and the don't stop coming. Fed to the rules and I hit the ground running. Didn't make sense not to live for fun. Your brain gets smart, but your head gets dumb. So much to do, so much to
Oh! Hey, what's up, guys? Cringy's banana. Current set. Let's just redo that, dude. Hey, what's up, guys? It's Cringy's banana, and current status of fidget spinners still happening. Anyways, today we're gonna. It's how about random horror moments? I haven't done that since December. How gay could a person be, though? Get out. I'm recording. Get out. We can make a video later, just not tomorrow. I'm gonna rape myself.
the ice we escape. The water's getting warm.